Hello, this is Emily from Cloud Cookie Academy. Welcome to the EC2 Automation with Amazon EventBridge course. But first, let's talk about the benefits of EC2 automation. In the course of your work, it is most likely that you have to manage EC2 workloads around the clock. And while doing so, you might be required to turn off your instances outside work hours, or you want to optimize your Amazon EC2 spending. Or maybe your organization is implementing procedures to automate manual processes. With EC2 automation, not only can you implement cost optimization strategies for efficient resource utilization, but also automate manual and repeatable processes to minimize management overhead. What will you learn in this course? By the end of this course, you will be able to run EC2 automation at regular intervals. Services used are AWS Identity and Access Management, followed by Amazon EventBridge, and finally, you will check execution with AWS Systems Manager. What do you need to take this course? To take this course, you will need administrator permissions on your AWS account, and secondly, you will need to have an EC2 instance launched. We're not going to cover this material in our hands-on lab. However, please feel free to check out the reference document attached to this lecture on how to complete the steps. And how much does AWS cost? So let's have a look at core services used in this tutorial. AWS IAM is available at no additional charge. Amazon EventBridge is available at no additional charge for rules and event delivery. Amazon EC2 is a paid service. However, please check your account settings to see if you can benefit from free tier offerings available on certain instance types. It's always a good idea to check ahead of time how much AWS is going to cost you by using AWS pricing calculator.